Alright, today I'm hoping to get this fuel tank back in position under the car. Before I do it, I'm trying to get rid of this green whatever it is on the petrol tank, and all I'm doing is using a bit of wet and dry paper and that with a bit of elbow grease starts to just lift it off without being anywhere near aggressive or abrasive. So a little bit to go out on this. Get it nice and black, hopefully, and ready to put back in. So we've got the fuel tank back in its general location. We've got all the fuel pipes cleaned and installed. This pipework is only on loose at the moment because I need some Jubilee clips to freshen that up. And also without the heat shield in place, the tank is moving under these straps, so I'm gonna get myself maybe some high density foam or something to sit under here just to secure that up and in place. But yeah, happy that the straps look good. Just sprayed them in flame red varnish over the top. Tank's looking okay after a little bit of rubbing down with tyre dresser. So it won't last long looking like that, but looks good for Instagram, and that's what matters. Anyway, so it's in place. Something else out of the shed. I can put more stuff back in the shed in its place. So I'm still waiting on this Gravitex to come for the middle section, which is a bit annoying because I ordered that probably like 2 weeks ago. I know we're in a difficult situation, so there we go. I just got to wait on that. And there's the engine sat at the front on its wheels. So yeah, glad to have got this back in. Glad that I haven't lost all the screws. And actually, the first thing we've actually rebuilt on this car. The first thing we've actually reinstalled, other than the axle mounts. So yeah, good news. Stay tuned for more. So I don't know if you can see very well again under here, but we've now got the middle section in paint and varnish. This was the same process as the rear basically, and it's looking reasonably good. I know the lighting's not great under here, but there we go. So we're now ready to get that centre shield on, well, handbrake first, then the centre heat shield, and I'll show you that when that's installed. These are the other things that we've had arrive today. A new set of drive shafts. These are at a pretty decent price from there. It's about £75 for both of these. Unfortunately, one clip has already fallen off, so I need to sort that out. Interestingly, these have come with the ABS rings, and the previous shafts didn't have ABS rings on them, even though they've got ABS hubs in there. Now I haven't managed to get this one separated yet from its hub. This one I did, so that's still ongoing. But yeah, got some nice fresh shafts to go on. Alright, just another quick one to show the new handbrake cable is mounted. Routed in the appropriate brackets so far. Okay, next step. Okay, so there's the center heat shield in place. Looking good now with the red and the black theme going on. Really liking the look of this. So those JB welded studs are working really well. You may have seen me, I just put like a little backing rubber washer, then a big penny washer, and then an M6 lock nut, all stainless obviously. And yeah, looking fresh. Time to get the exhaust pipe in. So there we are, the centre section is now in place. Went up fairly easy. It doesn't stand out obviously. If it was a nice stainless exhaust it would be nice and shiny, but unfortunately we don't have one just yet. But the good news is now that the exhaust is in situ, we can go ahead and get our rear axle, which goes along here. We can get that all in without scratching it up. So that will be the next step, I think. Coming on nicely. Anyway, that might do it for this little episode. And we'll be back with the rear axle installation for the next episode, I think. Something to look forward to. Peace out for now.